Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to BMO Travel Rewards, a comprehensive program designed to help you earn and redeem points for travel and other rewards. To get started, you will need to apply for a BMO Travel Rewards credit card, which can be done online or in person at a BMO branch. Once you have been approved, you will receive your card and can begin earning points on your everyday purchases. The BMO Travel Rewards program allows you to earn points on every purchase you make. With no rotating categories or spending limits, you can earn 1 to 3 points per dollar spent, depending on the type of purchase and the credit card you have. For example, if you have the BMO World Elite MasterCard, you can earn 3 points per dollar spent on travel purchases and 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. To redeem your points, simply log in to your BMO account online or through the mobile app and select the Travel Rewards option. You can book travel through the BMO Rewards portal or use your points to pay for travel purchases made on your credit card. You can also redeem your points for other rewards, such as gift cards or cash back. One of the best features of the BMO Travel Rewards program is its flexibility. You can redeem your points for travel on any airline, hotel, or travel website, with no blackout dates or restrictions. You can also transfer your points to other loyalty programs, such as Air Miles or WestJet Rewards. To get the most out of your BMO Travel Rewards, it is a good idea to set a travel goal and work towards earning enough points to redeem for that goal. You can also use the BMO Rewards calculator to determine how many points you need to earn to redeem for a specific reward. Additionally, be sure to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and maximize your rewards earnings. By following these steps and using the BMO Travel Rewards program to its full potential, you can earn and redeem points for travel and other rewards, and make your travel dreams a reality. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your credit card and rewards program to ensure you understand how to earn and redeem points, and to get the most out of your rewards.